Hello, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending the time you use and watch this video. Guys, I'll be telling you guys about my mom birthday on 25th of December. I think you guys are aware. So I went and bought this watch. I got this watch 35,000 naira. It's for my mom birthday. I know, maybe say I claim that I have enough money, but I need to give her something expensive. You know, this is 35,000 naira. Let's take a look at the watch. Hi guys, take a look at the watch. 35,000 naira. Look at the watch, how expensive. The body rack with one nylon. You cannot be able to stain this watch. This watch cost me 35,000 naira. I cannot go and import a rubber watch for my mom. I need to give her something expensive. Nobody say I claim. How do you see it? So guys, you can take a look at the watch. I think this is going well for her. This is going to be very nice for my mom. That's why. So it's 35,000 naira. I'm doing the right.
Oh my